We noticed something strange in the latest Hubble images, a mysterious green glow surrounding the interstellar object known as 3Io Atlas, and it's unlike anything scientists have ever seen. During July and August, NASA confirmed that the comet's color had shifted dramatically from a deep red to an eerie, luminous green. At first, it looked beautiful, but the more astronomers studied it, the more they realized this was not normal, and what they found since has left the scientific world completely unsettled. Before we begin, smash that like button and subscribe for more space mysteries and NASA discoveries, because what's happening right now could rewrite everything we know about comets, and maybe about life itself. 3Io Atlas was first detected on July 1, 2025. It quickly drew attention as the third confirmed interstellar object ever discovered, after Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. Its trajectory and velocity proved it didn't belong to our solar system. It was just passing through, a visitor from another star. For weeks, its behavior seemed ordinary. It brightened slowly, released gases, and developed a tail as it neared the sun. But then, something changed. Suddenly, the comet's glow shifted. The red dust around it faded, replaced by a haunting, emerald light. Astronomers were stunned. Color changes do happen in comets, but never this abruptly, and never this bright. Normally, when comets glow green, it's because of a molecule called diatomic carbon, which fluoresces under sunlight. But when NASA and ESA scientists analyzed 3Io Atlas's spectrum, something didn't add up. The usual carbon signature was missing. Instead, they detected cyanide radicals and even nickel atoms, elements rarely seen in comets, especially at such high levels. That means the green color wasn't just cosmetic. It hinted at strange chemistry inside the comet, possibly unlike anything found in our solar system. Nickel lines were so strong, scientists began to wonder if the comet's interior was made of something completely alien. And that's when the fear began. The comet's brightness curve, its light pattern, suddenly broke. Before the shift, its brightness increased rapidly as it approached the sun. After the change, it slowed down. That could only mean one thing. Something fundamental inside the comet had changed. Perhaps the outer red dust burned away, exposing icy layers beneath. Or maybe hidden volatile compounds had reached a critical point and began exploding into space. The behavior didn't fit any known comet model. Even NASA's best simulations couldn't explain it. Some astronomers now believe 3Io Atlas may carry exotic ices or metal-rich materials that don't exist in our solar system. Others think we're witnessing threshold chemistry, processes that activate suddenly when a certain temperature or pressure is reached. That would mean the comet isn't reacting gradually to the sun's heat, but instead flipping between stable and chaotic states, like a switch turning on. And the appearance of nickel and cyanide together? That's even stranger. Nickel is metallic, cyanide is organic. Together they could form organometallic compounds, rarely seen in natural space objects. If true, that means 3Io Atlas could hold clues about the chemical diversity of other star systems, or even precursors to life itself. The data also revealed irregular changes in the comet's motion, tiny but unexplained deviations from gravity. This happens in comets when jets of gas shoot out unevenly, but in 3Io Atlas, the force was too strong. Some researchers quietly suggested, what if these accelerations weren't caused by natural outgassing alone? Could there be another mechanism at work? Mechanical, internal, or something beyond our understanding? NASA has not confirmed anything yet, but they have increased observation frequency, especially after unusual brightness pulses were recorded by both Hubble and the James Webb Telescope. Scientists now think 3Io Atlas might have a fractured or layered core. When sunlight penetrates these cracks, it could trigger violent outbursts of gas and heat, causing new vents to open, releasing strange chemicals, and even changing the color of the coma, the glowing cloud around it. That means the green glow may not be permanent. It could flicker, shift, or even disappear as the comet spins. This suggests parts of its surface are chemically uneven, each region with its own unique structure, chemistry, and reaction to sunlight. If that's true, then we're not looking at a single comet, but a patchwork of alien materials stitched together in deep space. Standard comet science says these icy bodies are made mostly of water, CO, and dust. But 3Io Atlas breaks all of it. Its CO-to-water ratio is extremely high, far beyond anything seen before. That means either it formed in a much colder system, or its water is buried deep under a crust we can't see. And when NASA detected strong water emissions even when the comet was still 3.5 astronomical units away from the Sun, it confirmed that this object is far more active and volatile than any normal comet. It shouldn't even be releasing water at that distance, yet it was, strongly. That kind of activity means the entire surface might be alive, not biologically, but dynamically, constantly reacting, venting, and reshaping itself. There's another growing concern. If 3I Atlas is undergoing violent internal reactions, it could break apart, just like Comet Atlas did back in 2020 before disintegrating near the Sun. If this interstellar visitor fragments, it could scatter alien material through the solar system. A scenario that excites scientists but also raises serious questions. Because if those materials contain unknown elements or reactive compounds, Earth's instruments might struggle to identify them. Some even fear we may not be ready to study what's coming our way. Right now, NASA and observatories around the world are racing against time. 3I Atlas is moving deeper into the inner solar system. Soon, it will become too close to the Sun to observe clearly. If the green phase is temporary, it could vanish before we fully understand it. The James Webb Space Telescope is already recording near-infrared and ultraviolet data, hoping to catch signs of new molecules or unexpected chemistry before it's gone. Every hour matters. Some experts have floated a chilling idea that the green glow might be the result of active photochemistry, chemical reactions triggered by sunlight acting on complex organic molecules. In that case, the glow isn't just reflected light. It's a reaction, a form of energy transformation happening in real time. That would make 3I Atlas not just unusual, but a chemical laboratory from another world, possibly containing compounds essential to the building blocks of life. If true, we may be watching alien chemistry in action, the same kind of processes that once gave rise to life on Earth. The more we study this object, the less we understand it. Its sudden green shift, its volatile emissions, its non-gravitational motion, none of it fits comfortably inside our models. Could 3I Atlas be part of a new class of interstellar bodies, ones that behave in ways no one has ever seen before? Or is this a one-of-a-kind messenger, carrying secrets from a distant, ancient system that evolved under totally different conditions? Whatever the answer, astronomers agree on one thing. This is not just another comet. It's a warning that the universe still holds mysteries we can't yet explain. As 3I Atlas races toward the Sun, its green glow continues to haunt every telescope image. A reminder that we are still children in a universe full of wonders and dangers. The more we look, the more we realize we're only scratching the surface of what's out there. If you found this story fascinating, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because this is only the beginning, and the secrets of 3I Atlas may be far bigger than any of us imagine.